Welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Ansi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. This is the fifth lecture of digital marketing. Today we are going to discuss digital marketing process. Following is a 5-step digital marketing process that can be used for marketing anything on digital media. That is step 1 research, step 2 create, step 3 promote, step 4 analyze, and the last step is optimize. These are the 5 steps. First one research, then create, then promote, then analyze, and the last step is optimize. We are discussing detailed in step by step. First step is research. At this stage, you will collect all the information that will be required for decision making in the next stages. Information collected during research will become your raw material to strategies and create your digital market campaign. This stage can be called as digital marketing research. At this stage, you will research 4 sets of informations. First one about business, second one about your target customers, then about the product that you want to market, and last one about online competition. Each set is unique and equally important. You will require multiple sources to collect the information. That is, informations are collected during research step. 4 sets of informations are to be collected. ഏതൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു? ഒന്ന് അബൌട്ട് ബിസിനസ്, നമ്മളുടെ ആ ബിസിനസ്സെ പറ്റിയുള്ള ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻസ്. പിന്നെന്താണ്? ടാർഗറ്റ് കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സ്, നമ്മളുടെ ആ ബിസിനസ് തുടങ്ങുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആരിലാണോ ആ ബിസിനസ് എത്തിക്കാൻ നോക്കുന്നത് ആ ടാർഗറ്റ് കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്ത്. പിന്നെന്താണ്? ഏത് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ആണോ നമ്മൾ മാർക്കറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് അതിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ട്. പിന്നെന്താണ്? നമ്മുടെ ഓൺലൈനിൽ, അതായത് ഡിജിറ്റലി ഈ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് സെല്ല് ചെയ്യുമ്പം എന്തൊക്കെ കോമ്പറ്റീറ്റേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? നോക്കുന്നു. These are the 4 sets of information in research step. Second step is create. Once you collect information at the research stage, you can now start creating. First one, digital marketing objectives or goals. These are the ultimate goals that you want to achieve through your digital marketing campaign. Every business is unique, therefore their goals will also be unique. Campaigns without clear goals will end up spending money without assurance of achieving goals. Second one, digital marketing strategy. After you set the goals, it's time to create strategy to achieve those goals. Your digital marketing strategy will include positioning strategy, branding strategy, content strategy, digital marketing channel strategy. Third one, a digital marketing plan. At this stage, you will lay down a documented plan that will include all your detailed digital marketing activities with timelines. This is the third step of create. Next is creating primary digital identities. The 3 primary digital identities of a business are: first one website, second one blog, and the last one is application. These are like your online office, shops, or showrooms. These are the places where you want your target customer to reach and ultimately buy your products and services. Before you move on the next stage, that is promote, your primary digital identities must be fully read. For the businesses who want to sell their products through a major e-commerce portal, creating digital identities can be optional. Next step is promote. After your primary digital identities are fully read, you will start promoting them. That means you want relevant people to start coming to your primary digital identities. This is also called as generating relevant traffic. Relevant traffic is an important word here. Our options to promote your website or blog or application will be first one search engines, display network, e-commerce portals, social media, email, messaging, and last one is affiliate. Above are also known as digital marketing channels that you need to promote your primary digital identities, that is website, blog or application. There are sub-channels and networks within some of the channels mentioned above. Which channels or sub-channels networks to go for and whether to do organic or inorganic promotions? These questions will already be answered as digital marketing strategy creation stage. Next stage is analyze. Once you create your primary digital identities and start promoting them through various digital marketing channels, it's a time to start monitoring your performance. Analyzing is like looking at the outcome of your digital marketing work. You will receive analytics for your primary digital identities as well as the channels through which you have done the promotions. The most important and ultimate analytics for your any business is the analytics of your website or blog or application. Google Analytics is widely popular to generate analytics of your primary digital identities. The four major sessions of Google Analytics are: first one is audience, second one acquisition, third one behavior, and the last one is conversion. Last stage is optimize. At this stage, based on analysis and observations, you start making changes. The changes could be in your primary digital identities or digital marketing channels. Changes are also referred to content and decision of your identities and promotional communication. These are the 5 steps of digital marketing process. First one, research. Second one, create. Third one, promote. Fourth one, analyze. And the last one is optimize. We can summarize this 5 steps as: first one, research. At this stage, you research about business, target customers, product service, competition, etc. Second, create. At this stage, you create your digital marketing goals, digital marketing strategy, and also digital marketing plan and primary digital identities. Identities such as website or blog or application. Third one is promote. At this stage, you start promoting your primary digital identities through various digital marketing channels like search engines, display networks, e-commerce portals, social media, email, messaging and affiliate programs. Fourth one is analyze. At this stage, you look at the various analytics including the most important analytics, that is website, blog or application analytics, and compare them with your goals. You also understand where changes must be made in order to bridge the gap between goals and actuals. Fifth one is optimize. At this stage, based on analysis and observations, you start making changes. The changes could be in your primary digital identities or digital marketing channels. Changes are also referred to content and decision of your identities and promotional communication. After you learning the lecture and write the answer of the question. The question is: explain the process of digital marketing.